Good morning, Year 3. We're doing well, we're continuing our journey, and today we're going to do addition, but this time we're going to regroup the ones. So let's go back over how we do this. So I'm going to start with my base 10 this morning. I have 3 hundreds in the hundreds column. Whoops, that's the hundreds column. That's better. I have 4 tens in the tens column. And I have 7 ones in the ones column. There's 2 ones, 4 ones, 6 ones, and 7 ones. So I have 347. And to that, I'm going to add 100, 2 tens, so 20, and then 9 ones. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9 ones. So I'm going to work out what 347 add 129 equals. So as always, we start with the ones column. We have 7 ones and we need to add 9 ones to it. Now straight away, my class would say to you, my spidey senses tell me that there's going to be some regrouping because I have a 9, and I have a 9 ones and I have 7 ones, so I know there's going to be more than 10 ones in there. That's why we need the regrouping. So 7 ones add 9 ones would be 16 ones. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. Now my 16 ones, I can't put them into there because that's a 2 digits and we can only have 1 digit in here. But my 16 ones can be regrouped. I can regroup them into tens and ones. So if I regroup 10 of these, 3, 6, 9, 10, for a 10, I'm regrouping those 10 ones. I'm going to put those out of the way. And that would leave me with 2, 4, 6 ones. So altogether I still have the 16 ones, but the 10 can't stay in the ones column. So it has to go into the tens column. So with my class I say we boing it over and put it under. So the 6 ones remains in the ones column, but the tens we boing over and put underneath so that it's in the tens column. So all those tens are together. Now we add up the tens. So I have 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens. Mustn't forget this one down here. So altogether I have 7 tens. So I put 7 tens into the tens column. 1, 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens. There's my 7 tens. And then I go to the hundreds column as normal. I have my 100, 200, 300, 4 100s there. So I put my 400 into the answer. So 347 add 129 is equal to 476. Let's try another one. Now let's try another one, but this time with the place value counters. So I have 136 and I'm going to add 127 to it. Let's work out what it's equal to. So we add up the ones as always. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 ones. So I've got 13 ones altogether. Now, I can hear my class going, can we put them in there? No, 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 no. 13 ones can't go into the ones column because that would be 2 digits. So I can regroup them. So I'm going to regroup them. These 10 ones, I'm going to regroup into a 10. So I still have the 13, but I'm going to put the 3 ones into the ones column. And I'm going to put the 10 into the tens column. I'm going to boing it over and put it under. So there's the 13, but regrouped into 1 10 and 3 ones. Now let's add up the tens column. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s. Don't forget this one, 6 10s. So we have 6 10s all together. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s and 6 10s. And then last but not least, the hundreds column, I have 100 add 100 is equal to 200. So 136 add 127 is equal to 263. Well done if you got that one right. I'm now going to give you a few to try for yourself. Okay, you're going to try this one. You have 424 and you need to add 439 to it. Now straight away, I know you know that we're regrouping the ones, but remember your spidey sensors are telling you that you're going to have over 10 ones in the ones column. So have a go. I'm using concrete. Try and do it pictorially if you can, or if you have the equipment, do have a go at doing it concrete, and we'll move on to abstract later. Have a go. How did you get on? Let's go through it together. So let's start in the ones column. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 ones. So 13 ones. We know we can't put the 13 ones into the ones column, so we have to regroup. So let's regroup the 13 ones. I'll regroup 10 of those into a 10, and then the 3 ones can stay in the ones column. So there's 1, 2, 3 ones in the ones column, and I've regrouped the 10. Boing it over and put it under. Now I can add up the 10s. I have 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s. Don't forget this one, 6 10s. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, whoopsie, 5 10s, 6 10s. There's my 6 10s. And then let's do the hundreds column. I have 400, add 400. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sorry, they're a bit slow to put down. So 424 add 439 equals 863. Well done guys, you're doing really, really well. Now I'm going to leave you with a couple of sums to do for yourselves. Okay, year 3, I'm leaving you with these sums. Now we've been using concrete equipment obviously to work these out. And if you have the equipment, have a go at using it. It's really good practice. Or you could always draw it pictorially. Draw up your place value grid and then either draw the base 10 as we've done in class or draw the place value counters. I've written your sums in abstract because we know that we need to practice all 3 stages, and then that way we're really secure with our abstract when it comes to it. We understand why. So use that language as you go through the sums for me and see if you can do these 4 with regrouping the ones. I'll see you tomorrow when we start regrouping the 10s. See you later. Bye.